Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA. This is going to be question 45, the top 50 trick ALJ questions. Now, this next one is a little bit trickier than normal because some judges use it, some judges are offended by it. So let's go through it. Does anyone else in your family receive disability benefits, right? Because the question is, if you have 5 kids and 4 of the kids are disabled, you're cashing in on the checks for those disability, options. So that's what it looks like. A lot of judges, I'm just going to read what I have here. A lot of judges will ask because they're trying to see if the parent's trying to get a bunch of checks so that they don't need to work. The odd duck out was a judge who seemed offended by me asking the question, and she reflected that it wasn't any of our business, if her other children were receiving benefits. This was right after I had a hearing with a judge who asked the question, causing me to go into what the hell mode. Okay, so here's the thing. Some judges are mommies, and some judges are never and shouldn't ever be a mommy, okay? And this, same for daddies and dads and whatever that judges can equate to. But some of these judges are moms. And those judges that are moms, they get it, right? You can't, if you have 5 kids, you can't have a job. If you have 2 kids, you can't have a job unless you have a babysitter all the time. If you have 1 kid, it's tricky. So they get it. And they would be offended by a question like this. It's not out of our business to know that. Then there are other judges who, they'll never be a mom. They can barely take care of a cat or a dog or whatever. Those judges are super fine with that question. In fact, they think that question is direct lineage with scam artist questions. So that's right in line. If you have a bunch of kids that are currently receiving disability benefits, the judges start to go like, here comes another one, here comes another one, because they know that you know how to play the 504, the IEP, system to go ahead and start building that aspect to it, And also, let's call it like it is, academia providers are now a lot more aware of which children really need the benefits and which ones are just, not really trying in school. So we're running to that aspect as well. All right, I'm not going to spend a ton of time on that question because it's pretty simple and straightforward. Next one, we'll be going to 46, but first, if you have any questions, want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Give me a call or shoot me an email, and we'll go from there. Also, April 9th, Thursday, 8 p.m., 2020, and every Thursday thereafter, I'll be going live on YouTube. You can call this phone, 407-279-1754, and I will run ALJ questions with you. I will run it as if you're in the hearing, okay? A direct examination as part of the, OHO hearing process. That way you get a feel as to what it's like. Now, with that said, I'm going to beat you up. And you have to suck it up and not be a little princess about it. All right, so what we're going to be doing is going through question number 46 next of the top 50 ALJ questions, and then we'll go from there. Thank you so much. Have an absolutely wonderful day. Catch you in the next question.